फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello everyone, welcome to Cricket Next. South Africa fielded their way against England in the Super 8 clash and they won the game by 7 runs. A very amazing victory for South Africa now. They have 4 points in 2 games in the Super 8s and they have continued their winning run in this tournament. They've won 4 out of 4 in the group stage and now have 2 out of 2 in the Super 8 stage. Soumya, what do you think about this win today? Do you think that South Africa fielded their way through against England today?
I guess both the teams fielded their way into the game. England looked really good. They took a couple of brilliant catches. Harry Brook took a blinder around that long on area, and then Sam Curran took one running backwards when he was stationed in the cover region. So they have fielded really well. Yeah, England stopped around 20-30 runs, which could have been a target which would have gone on to 190, 200. They restricted the South Africans to 160 odd, which was great. But again, the application from the English batsman wasn't there. They didn't really start off well. They lost wickets. It was about Harry Brook who got them into the game, and some fine display from Liam Livingstone as well. तो ये इनको इन दोनों ने जो नॉक खेला उस वजह से शायद इंग्लैंड थोड़ा वापस आया इस गेम के अंदर. क्रेडिट टू देयर बॉलर्स यार. जिस तरीके से साउथ अफ्रीका ने स्टार्ट किया था, इफ आई कैन हैव द स्कोर कार्ड फॉर साउथ अफ्रीका बैट्समैन एज वेल, the way they started off was brilliant. Quinton de Kock specifically was looking really good. Reza Hendricks got out, but he staged a stand with Quinton. Henrik Larsson was unlucky यार. वो एक wide का run लेने गए and Josh Butler was hit the bullseye to the non-strikers end. वो एक run out थोड़ा खराब था, but David Miller again, he was looking good. 43 of 26. Aiden Markram again, मेरे को समझ नहीं आया एडन मार्करम को आपने इतना नीचे ही उतारा and you got Klaasen up. I understand, you wanted to accelerate, but at the same point of time यार एडन मार्करम is somebody जिसका आप बैटिंग पोजीशन में मत हिलाओ. Let him bat at 3, maximum at 4. Don't do that. Tristan Stubbs, he tried to got something out of the track, but वो नहीं हुआ. Not really a kind of a Stubbs kind of a batting display, but as I said, English bowlers did really well to restrict South Africa to that total because they started off really well, and then it was a kind of a collapse from the English batters, a fumble from themselves. This should have been a game that England should have taken away eventually, because the way they just got themselves back in the hunt.
Right. Very rightly said, Sona. There are quite a few ebbs and flows in this game. South Africa started off very brilliantly with the bat. Then England bowlers coming back in the second half in the last 10 overs. Then South Africa starting very well with the ball, not giving away any runs. It took some brilliant catches in the power play as well. Then Harry Brook coming and doing his thing. Livingston also hitting some very good shots. It seemed like England will win, and then again South Africa doing very brilliantly at the death with the ball. So overall, looking at the game, as you just rightly mentioned, that England should have won this. Not a very big target in 160s. But do you think England are losing that spark in this tournament? Like they lost to Australia in the group stage, and I felt like it's okay to lose one game. They still have that thing. They defeated Namibia and Oman very comprehensively. They defeated West Indies very well. But do you think they are not able to face quality bowling lineup now when they have also lost against South Africa?
Kind of, and it is more about their top order. The way Butler and Bairstow were batting, okay, I understand. या Phil Salt का जो एक responsibility है ना, वो I understand कि उसको जाना है and he has to go hammer and tongs right from the word go. But Butler और Bairstow की जिस तरीके से partnership, they were trying to get into that zone, get into that groove, and naturally वो नहीं होता. And if you look at the strike rates of both the batters and even Moeen Ali, 17 of 20, 16 of 20, and then 9 of 10, that shows that that speaks a lot about the way they were batting in that middle over. They should have accelerated, and that's why the pressure came on to Harry Brook and Liam Livingstone. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिट गोज टू बार्टमैन यार, इंग्लैंड को बार्टमैन को थैंक्स बोलना चाहिए, जिस तरीके से उन्होंने वो 17th ओवर डाला, 5 फुल टॉसेस, वेंट फॉर एन नंबर ऑफ रन्स, 21 रन्स इन दैट ओवर। उससे पहले उनका बॉलिंग फिगर्स वाज 2 ओवर्स 6 रन्स 1 विकेट। तो जिस तरीके से वो ओवर डाला, दैट वाज अ हॉरिबल ओवर फ्रॉम हिम, फ्रॉम अ फास्ट बॉलर। इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू एग्जीक्यूट योर यॉर्कर्स, जस्ट कम बैक टू दैट लेंड डिलीवरीज एंड ऑल ना। आप कटर्स डालो, ग्राउंड बड़ा है, ठीक ठाक ग्राउंड है, कटर्स डालो, झिकाओ थोड़ा बैट्समैन को, जस्ट लेट हिम टेक दैट रिस्क ऑफ हिटिंग यू। आप अपने पेस से नहीं कैपिटलाइज मत करवाओ उसको। एंड दैट हैपेंड, अ फुल टॉस, क्विक फुल टॉस, एंड हैरी ब्रूक वाज लुकिंग एट इट लाइक अ बीच बॉल, लिविंगस्टोन वाज लुकिंग एट द बॉल लाइक अ फुटबॉल। सो वो इतना सेटल हो गए थे। इट वाज ब्रिलियंस फ्रॉम एनरिक नोकिया यार इन द लास्ट ओवर, जहां वो रन्स नहीं आए।
Undoubtedly.
देयर वाज अ टाइम जहां इक्वेशन 20 बॉल 30 आ गया था। They needed what 13 in the last 14 in the last over, if I'm not
Right,
mistaken.
right,
And he's the one who won the game for you. 14 in this era, in the last over, when you have someone like a Brook or Livingstone or a Sam Curran sitting in, or probably a Jordan in the dugout. यार आप बहुत easily वो chase down करेंगे. A lot of credit goes to Nokia for that. So they should thank Nokia for this win. South Africa. You mentioned England, the spark, the kind of spark that England are missing. I feel the same for South Africa यार. If you look at their victories, 10-15 साल 20 साल के बाद जब आप ये स्कोर का ये वर्ल्ड कप का एक टेबल उठाओगे, आपको दिखेगा यार, ओ वाओ, 4 मैचेस 4 विंस, 2 मैचेस 2 विंस, 3 मैचेस probably a third win as well. बट वो
right,
किस तरीके से आई हैं? They haven't been any of the wins haven't been convincing at all. आप
right,
नेपाल
right.
से बाई चांस जीत गए, आप किसी और छोटी टीम से, रिलेटिवली छोटी टीम से, एज इन वीकर टीम से, यू नो वो आप किसी तरीके से जीत गए। बांग्लादेश, इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन, वहां पे उन्होंने बहुत
They
उन्हें
went
फ्रस्ट्रेट
close,
कर दिया था।
yes.
105 दे वर चेजिंग, इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन, मेरे को
Exactly.
एग्जैक्टली ध्यान नहीं है। जस्ट ओवर 100, मिलर प्लेड अ वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल नॉक देयर। सो यूएसए, यूएसए गॉट क्लोजर टू यू। वो अगर हरमीत, अगर वो कैच नहीं, मतलब वो बॉल कहीं भी मार सकता था, वो एक जगह पे नहीं मारना था, वो वहीं मार दिया। वरना
Right.
गॉस एंड हरमीत took the bowlers, took the cleaners. So आपके साउथ अफ्रीका के साथ भी सेम प्रॉब्लम है, एंड दे विल चोक इफ दे मेक इट टू द सेमीफाइनल्स। आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस because they haven't been convincing at all. They have been performing in bits and pieces in all the games. That you can't do that.
But Sonia, just as you mentioned about South Africa, I was going to come to that thing. Their bowling has been really good throughout this tournament. If you see, wearing
Yeah.
that Bartman over, as you just mentioned, they defended some very low scores against Nepal,
Yeah.
Bangladesh. They restricted Netherlands to a very low score.
Yeah.
And again, their bowling has done the job today more than their batting. Despite of the fact that Quinton de Kock won Man of the Match award, but
Yeah.
I feel their bowling was the major reason that they won today as well, because
No, I
160 was
just I
not
just differ a bit.
so
I just differ a bit from that, because so understand this, Nepal ke against, they almost lost it. It was Gulshan Jha's
right,
laziness that lost the
right,
game. यूएस की पिचेस उस तरीके की थी जहाँ 110 120 अच्छा लग रहा था,
right,
यहाँ पे, यहाँ जो हुआ, या यूएस के मैच में जो हुआ, द प्रॉब्लम इज यू पिकिंग अप विकेट्स, अर्ली विकेट्स, बट देन यू आर नॉट एबल टू रैप अप द मिडिल ऑर्डर। कोई भी टीम का मिडिल ऑर्डर आपको आके ना डोमिनेट कर रहा है, एंड वो डोमिनेट कैसे कर रहा है? क्योंकि आपका कोई एक बॉलर रन खा रहा है, एकदम से बहुत ज्यादा रन खा जाता है, विद द एवरेज विच इज 7-8 जस्ट स्ट्रेट गोज टू 20, एंड यू कांट अफोर्ड दैट। यही स्कोर अगर 150 होता, दिस वाज गेम सेट
harder,
मैच फॉर दैट, राइट? वो एक टोटल थोड़ा सा, ना वो बहुत बड़ा था ना वो बहुत छोटा था, इसलिए थोड़ा सा वो हेल्पफुल हो गया। नहीं तो जो बार्टमैन ने किया, द गेम वाज ओवर इन द पेनल्टीमेट ओवर यार,
right,
मतलब वो 20वें तक जाता भी नहीं। So these are certain things that they really need to take into consideration. As I said, they are performing. I'm not saying they're not performing. They're performing, but they're performing in bits and pieces. They're taking, probably they're playing very good cricket in the first 6 overs. Then they are, getting unstable in the next 10. Then they're playing good cricket in the last 4. Similarly with the bowling, they're picking up early wickets, getting 4 and 50. When the scorecard reaches 50, they're picking 4 wickets. But then there comes a time when there is a 70-run partnership of just 35, 40 balls. Then you give away the game, and the game comes closer. अगर वो US के साथ इतना total होता, US would have chased this down, right?
right.
So These are certain very small loopholes that I see in South Africa's campaign right now. I'm not really happy with England. Yeah, you're the defending champions. Yeah,
Yeah,
you are the
yeah,
defending champions, right? कैसे खेल रहे हो यार? स्कॉटलैंड आपको डोमिनेट कर रहा है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया से जैसे आप हार हो, आप नामीबिया, ओमान और इन लोगों को हरा के यार नहीं खुश हो सकते। Look, they have a very very basic, all due respect, they have very basic cricketing, जो उनका एक प्रैक्टिस भी चलता है ना गेम का, जो उनको
right,
इंटरनेशनल मैचेस भी खेलने को मिलते हैं, वो बहुत कम मिलते हैं।
right,
और वो अपनी एसोसिएट नेशंस में खेलते रहते हैं। सो आप उनको हरा
right,
के खुश नहीं हो सकते यार। यू हैव टू बीट अ साउथ अफ्रीका, यू हैव टू बीट ऑस्ट्रेलिया, यू हैव टू बीट प्रॉब्ली पाकिस्तान इफ दे वर देयर, न्यूजीलैंड, इंडिया, श्रीलंका फॉर दैट मैटर, बांग्लादेश फॉर दैट मैटर यार। आपको इनको हराना, अफगानिस्तान, आई एग्री, अफगानिस्तान आर द टीम टू बीट। अफगानिस्तान से अगर आप खेल रहे हो तो आप उनको, आपको टफ कंपटीशन देगी, जैसे एक एक
right.
अदर टेस्ट प्लेइंग नेशंस देते हैं। यू हैव टू बी up there. Yeah, I'm really disappointed the way they have been playing. They really need to get their A game up, because if they don't, both of these teams are gonna get bowed out. They'll be bowing out from the semi-finals at
Right.
max. Finals नहीं जा पाएंगे ये.
Right, I quite agree with you there, but England might have to work a bit more on their game now, considering they only have one game left. On the other hand, South Africa have been quite luckier, as you just mentioned, the kind of wins they've
Yeah.
had in this tournament, and they have the 1 foot in the semi-final now with the last game against West Indies pending. So, one last question, Somya. What do you think
Yeah.
about Group 2 after this match? Do you think England is still qualifying, or West Indies have a better chance now?
I think West Indies are getting to the semi-final parts. They look more stable. They look more stable in the sense यार, वो ना एक बड़ा different brand of cricket खेल रहे हैं। आओ, टॉस जीतो, रन बनाओ, रन लगाओ, विकेट लो, घर जाओ, मैच खत्म करो, जीतो, दैट्स इट। द टेक्निक आई फाइंड रियली गुड, एंड दे आर द टीम टू बीट, एज आई सेड। वेस्ट इंडीज के लिए मैं बहुत पहले से बोल रहा हूँ, दे आर द टीम टू बीट। वो दे आर हंग्री। पिछले 2-3 साल में जो भी उनके क्रिकेटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हुआ है, दे रियली हंग्री, एंड द हंगर इज प्रीटी एविडेंट। Not just England, not just South Africa. Every team needs to be very, very, very cautious with them. Obviously, when you play that kind of a tournament, आपको cautious हर किसी से रहना पड़ता है, but with West Indies, you have to be extra careful, क्योंकि बॉस वो कहीं से भी मैच निकाल के ले जाएंगे। उनका जो लाइनअप है वो कहीं से भी मैच निकालता है, which was with this game, जहाँ Rutherford scored some a 50, a very quick fire 50, and he helped the side to put up a good total.
I think it was against New Zealand.
Yeah, exactly. They lost early wickets, and then he was the only one who, the lone warrior kind of a knock. So वो है वेस्ट इंडीज के अंदर, एंड आई फील वेस्ट इंडीज आर द वंस हु गोना गो थ्रू। आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू सी दो, क्योंकि अब ये थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है, 2-3 दिन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू सी हु गोज अहेड, बट फॉर मी इट्स वेस्ट इंडीज एंड साउथ अफ्रीका। बट साउथ अफ्रीका का जो ट्रैवल टाइम है वो खत्म होने वाला है, जो उनका एक वेकेशन चल रहा है in the semi-finals. I'm telling you this.
Maybe they will choke once again in the semi-finals, but for
No,
now
no, no.
it
This
seems
time,
like
this time so. Listen, understand this. The choking things come when you're playing really well, and then you fumbled at the last moment. You're not playing good cricket. Understand this. Quinton de Kock got some runs today, got some runs in the last game, because कुछ balls उसके ना slot में पड़ी, और जहाँ उसको मौका मिला अगला पैर बाहर निकाल के slog sweep करने का, he is struggling. क्लासन काइंड ऑफ अ नॉक नहीं आ रहा, मिलर काइंड ऑफ अ नॉक नहीं आया। उसने मैच जरूर जिताया एक, बट वो मिलर काइंड ऑफ अ नॉक नहीं आ रहा। मार्करम अगेन, आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग। ट्रिस्टन स्टब्स हैज बीन गुड, fielding has been good, no doubt. So bowling has been pretty decent, I would say. They just need to take care of the way they start, as far as the bowling department is concerned. जैसे start करो वैसे end करो, better रहेगा. So that's my take on this.
right. And do you think that once this middle order clicks, they will be very dangerous side, considering the way other things are going with them?
No, as I said, it's not about the middle order. It's about the way they're giving away runs at any point of time. So middle order, yeah, click. देखिए, middle order click करे, या every batter who comes in, chips in with 20-30 odd here and there, you are easily going to get 150, 160 odd, 180 odd. You will get to that. और आपके पास वो बैट्समैन है जो वो कर सकते हैं, राइट? 10 बॉल 20 हर कोई बना सकता है यार, दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। और 6 बैट्समैन वो कर रहे हैं तो 120 सवा 100 रन तो यही हो गया आपके। देन यू विल हैव समबडी हु विल स्कोर अ बिग वन, दैट्स योर कैलिबर। द प्रॉब्लम इज you score runs but you give away runs as well, that's the problem.
Right. Let us see what happens going forward in this group. For now, South Africa are leading, and tomorrow is a big day because West Indies and USA, the co-hosts, will fight first up in the morning to claim their stake at the semi-finals, and then in the evening we have the mega match between India and Bangladesh. So we'll bring you all the updates from the world of cricket, from the T20 World Cup. For now, stay tuned to Cricket Next.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।